Andrea from Island Spotters Travel, and I'm here about to embark on the Margaritaville at Sea for a familiarization trip, and I'm very excited. Can't wait to tell you all about it. Just checked in. Very, very easy check-in. You drop off your luggage outside. You come into the building and you go through the security, and then they essentially go upstairs and check in for your cruise. They give you your room card. They tell you where to wait. We're just waiting for the ship to be cleared, and then we'll be able to get on. Excellent. Very, very easy process. Okay, just got on board. So hello to Stephanie. So we are going to find our muster drill station on deck 9 right now. So that's where we're headed. About to do our muster drill, going into the casino. 7145. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, we're on deck 11. License to chill deck. Okay, sign me up. Okay, so that's the spot. Right up the elevator bank. Okay, oh, look at this. This looks, yes, immediately fun. Okay, so we've got some nice big loungers over there. Those look like they're on a first come, first serve basis. We've got some nice chairs in the shade, which is always good for me. We got some tables. It looks like that might be the smoking area. And then, let's see, as we come back further, we got some loungers next to the pool. What I do like about it is they have the little umbrellas there, keep you shaded a little bit, which is nice. So we're gonna come back. Hi there, morning.
You will say the stuff is bending over backwards too.
Yes, accommodate. Love this bar. Love it, love it, love it. Menu at the License to Chill bar. Today we've got a drink of the day, Sailaway Margarita.
Yeah.
Excellent, thank you. Right in the corner there, as we're walking through. Oh no, it's something else. I don't know what this is. Like a beer pong? It's like a beer pong, oh my gosh. Up the stairs now. Let's see what happens up here. You know, I totally got you dancing. Oh, look at another bar over here. Okay, so we got a nice pool over here in the back. Oh, this looks nice, and we got the jacuzzi right off. Okay, so first impressions. The boat is small, but that's okay. I don't mind that. I know that Margaritaville at sea is only a few years old, and this particular boat, the Paradise, going out of Palm Beach, is an older ship. It was a Costa ship that has been refurbished just a few years ago to fit the Margaritaville theming, and it's been sailing for about 3 years now, and it's been doing well. They actually added another ship, Islander, and that goes out of Tampa. That is a much newer ship, but this is a nice ship, and it does not feel crowded at all, even though, I mean, I know we're early. I know it's only not even noontime. It's not even noontime. However, you do not feel any kind of crowds in this boat, in this ship whatsoever. So I've been on a few of the big ships for other cruise lines, and they have felt very crowded immediately. So this is a nice little breather. So this would be a really nice, so far, first impressions would be a really nice first cruise for anybody to just get that taste of what it's all about.
This time.
And jump.
Right foot, let's stop.
Now right foot.
Left foot, let's stop.
And left foot. Then you lean to the right. Walk it out. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, I want to say welcome on board to the beautiful Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. You're home for the next 2 days. We're going to have an amazing vacation. I'm your cruise director, Terry, saying, remember, your vacation is what you make it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to party. Wake up. Hey. Come on, we're here to have a good time. Let's go.
Getting to our room, and Miss Stephanie is letting us in. We're in room 7145 on the Paradise Margaritaville at Sea, and this is what our room looks like. Okay, beautiful. Okay, right from the go, we have a closet to the right. We have some drawer space right to the right here. All right, so they're small drawers, just so you know. We do have a little bit of closet space above, and be for slacks or something. And then we have full-length closet space on the left. We have some robes that we can use, complimentary robes. Next, we have the bathroom. Oh, this is actually very spacious for what I was expecting. So this is nice. We've got some beautiful mirrors. We've got the curtain for the enclosure. If you know me, you know I love a curtain. Getting a little facetious there. Just because, for some reason, with a curtain in the cruise ships, does it seem like a wind comes out of nowhere and sticks to your legs? I'm just saying. Okay, so anyway, we've got the bathroom. It's very spacious. Pretty impressed with that. We do have a beautiful, airy feeling decor. It's fresh. It's island feeling. I'm very impressed by the decor for the age of the room. It feels very nice. So we've got the twin bed set up. We've got the TV in the corner. We do have for outlets, we don't have many outlets. We have those are the lights, the overhead lights. Over here, we have just a USB plug. Just so you know, we have the porthole. I'm sorry, let me get back. We have the porthole over here. I would open it up, but the sun's coming in, so it's gonna just whitewash everything. So we have a little desk in the corner here. We do have a US, this is a European plug that we can use. And it does look like we have a US plug down here, just so you know. So if you do have a CPAP machine, you may be able to use the plug from the corner to the bed. It's not a huge distance, so it looks like that will be doable. Okay, we have a little fridge, mini fridge here in the corner. And we have a in-room safe as well as some storage drawers. Yeah, so okay, so 7145 on the Paradise Margaritaville at Sea. It's a very nice room. I'm pretty impressed with the space of the room. So yeah, here we go.